Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Rainbet. First, log in or sign up on rainbet.com using your credentials. Now, go to the deposit section in your account dashboard. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Then, select from cryptocurrencies, cards, e-wallets, bank transfer, or prepaid cards. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit into your account. Follow the instructions provided for the selected payment method. After that, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Check your Rainbet balance to see if the funds have been added. Finally, start playing or betting with your deposited funds. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.